Okay, I've had a few questions about how to enter some of the answers on the sapling homework. Specifically, I want to talk to you about number 16 real quick here. So let me find problem number 16. And on number 16, the tricky part is you're supposed to enter this atomic symbol. So the way you do that, that's with the two numbers, the mass number and the atomic number, and then the symbol off the periodic table. The way you enter that, first off, go ahead and click in the box. And then let me show you the keys I'm going to use. So we're going to go down and let me show you. So I'm going to use these like up arrows and down arrows, right? And I'm going to move around. So let's go ahead and let me, using those keys, let's go back to the screen and let me show you where you need to get to. So you want to click and then you're going to move around. And do you see how when I went over that little question mark became like smaller? I can hit the delete key and then I can type the number that belongs there. So for the first one, the bottom number, the atomic number is 15. And then I'm going to go and use the up arrow, or maybe the left arrow, well, whatever it takes. And I want to get to where that question mark is. And again, once I get to it, I'll delete it. And then I'll type in the mass number. So for this problem, it's 31. So when you're done, it should look something like that. Now, I still haven't entered the symbol. So I'm going to keep using, I used the up, down, left arrows on my keyboard. And now I'm where the question mark is. So I'm going to hit delete to get rid of that question mark. And then I'll type in the symbol. So the symbol for this one, it should be phosphorus. It's P. So it should look like that. If it looks like that on your screen, you did okay. So you would do, and then you could check answer. Now I didn't do them all, so it's going to tell me most of them are wrong, but no, that's the right answer for that one at least. All right, so that's how you do 16. Use the up and down arrows on your keyboard to replace those question marks. Now the other one that's along the same lines, but a little bit different is number 21. So for number 21, the way you're going to enter it, you're supposed to enter the same thing, like the mass number, atomic number, and symbol off the periodic table, the atomic notation we called it. So click on the box where you need to enter it, and then what should come up is this little window at the bottom. It should pop up, and you need to be using the third one over on the top row, third one from the left. There's those two boxes and the X's. And then this should show up, and you're going to do the same thing. So you might need to go over, and you're going to replace that 0 with whatever belongs in the bottom corner. You're going to go up and over, use those up and down keys on your keyboard. You're going to type in the mass number in the top corner. So in this case, I think it'd be 79. And then go over. I'm using the over buttons, keys, the arrows, and then you type in the symbol. All right, so it looks like that. So for both of them, click into the box, and then you need to move around inside of the box with your up and down and other arrows here, okay? So hopefully that gets you off on the right track, and you'll be okay on those two.